going to do the cinnamon challenge, like Skillet.
Let's get the cinnamon. Okay.
Yeah.
So we think this is the wrong cinnamon, but that's all we have, so it's the ground cinnamon.
Looks like normal cinnamon, but it may be the wrong one.
It tastes disgusting.
We haven't tried it yet, though, of course.
I've just tried it before, so it's
yeah.
okay. I don't want to do it.
I want to put those.
You can't die at my house.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, I have to pour some water after. Okay, we also have
got bottles of water. Oh god.
Cups of water too. Okay, do not put any more because you're going to waste my mom's good cooking stuff. You know? Yeah, just goes next with a spice thing. Okay.
Ready?
She put way more than me, but that's because she's cool. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Oh dear.
It's stuck to my mouth. Oh my god, it's all over my mouth.
Put so much in.
It's inside my drink.
This is the worst thing ever.
That's not nice. I'm gonna empty the teacup.
Not do the cinnamon challenge.
There's cinnamon all over.
It burns. Okay, wait, no, I have a wipe here.
Oh my god, my job, my new job.
Oh my god! Because you coughed and it all came out.
Oh my god, what's coming?
Okay, no, she's not really. Okay, I'll just
Well, I caught it. The cinnamon has contaminated my water.
This is disgusting.
Don't do it.
Peace.
It's not nice.